Hey Palm Beachers, we are on another adventure here in the Palm Beaches, and today we are with Jupiter Outdoor Center up in Jupiter Beach, Florida, and we're going on a kayak tour. Hopefully we're going to see some manatees, maybe some sea turtles. I'm with my sister again, and I've got my son who's captaining the boat. His first time kayaking. He's doing a great job. But it is a beautiful day, as you can see, and we're up here close to the Intracoastal. I think it's part of the Loxahatchee River, but I know that we're going to be heading over into the Intracoastal and then crossing the inlet towards the Jupiter Lighthouse. So anyway, it's another day in paradise, and we're going to go out and explore. So let's go on this great adventure.
See if we can get a manatee in the lens for you. Stop, welcome to Jupiter.
So we're having a great time. They've dropped us off on our own little private little beach, and we're in paradise, but we're really right next to people's backyards. Very lucky people. But fun tour. It's about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. We haven't seen too much sea life yet. We did just see where a sea star was, but it has moved on. So this is a great guided tour. Our guide's awesome. People with us are awesome. Actually met some people who were down here. They actually travel on a bus, and they're going to be working here, so they're kind of like checking it out for a job. And we're going to go around a couple more spots and just keep paddling. It's beautiful. My son's having a great time. He's actually doing all the paddling, which is awesome because I'm just getting to chill out and video, which is perfect. So but really good. It's called Jupiter Outdoor Centers. As always, I'll put a link for you guys to check them out. About $85 for my sister, my son, and I think it was $50 for us, was we're in a tandem kayak, and then the $35 for my sister. But anyway, I'll put all the information in there so you guys can check it out. Well, that was an awesome adventure here in the Palm Beaches. We're heading in now. Our kayak tour is coming to an end, but we had a great time. Didn't really get to see any turtles, but it doesn't matter. It's always beautiful when you're out here in the water in South Florida. Kayaking is actually one of my favorite things to get out and do. So, and being able to experience that with my son for the very first time, who's doing an amazing job. And by the way, this kid isn't going to be like an excellent paddleboarder because he got right up on it. But we're having a great time, and it's a really cool place. You want to ask for Rob or Reba, they're fantastic. They've done a great job showing us a good time. And as always, there'll be a link in the video for you to check everything out with the prices, and come check them out and get out here and enjoy doing some kayaking. But that's it. We're gonna go find something else to do, probably get a bite to eat, and enjoy the rest of our day here. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you've ever gone kayaking down here before, or where your favorite place is to kayak. And that's it. So as always, when you guys are out in the Palm Beaches, get out and enjoy paradise. All right, we'll talk to you next time.